Okay guys, it's Train Spotter HD and welcome back to another new video. And today I'm at Exeter St David's on this very sunny late Saturday morning. In this video you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway, Cross Country. I think you'll probably see services from South Western Railway. Why I say I think is because the South Western Railway services are obviously running every 2 hours now instead of every hour, so we may see at least probably one service from South Western Railway. And we will see a light locomotive move from Lara going to Derby. And also, we may see the Nunny Castle again. In truth though guys, you know my views on rail tours. It's the same thing coming down every time. I'm not too bothered about not seeing the rail tour today. Just got to get some passenger services on camera. That light locomotive move from Lara to Derby. I may record the rail tour going to Kingswear, but like I said, it's going to be the Nunny Castle again. And in truth, like I said, I'm not really interested in it, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, well, we got a few IETs here. We got one here, 802110. Maybe going to Penzance. We got another IET over there, 800-006. I think that might work at service to probably Penzance herself much later on. Here we got another IET coming in. (800-009) John Charles, and that's obviously I'm assuming going to, well, that has to be going to London Paddington. And 800-030 Lincoln Gallum. Interesting, they got all these names on these IETs. That's a very busy service to London Paddington. My god, 10 car, and it's quite chock-a-block. Here goes the service to, I think, Penzance. It is indeed Penzance. Okay, that one is quite a busy service as well. Not sure if that one's on time or not. Ooh, no, it looks like it's running a few minutes late. What else have we got? We got a turbo on platform 1. I'm obviously assuming that's going to Exmouth. So we'll see that go out in a couple of minutes. Looks like the 165108. So this is my first local video for a while. I can't remember the last time I made a local video actually. It's been a good 2-3 weeks since I've made a local video. Yeah, I'll say it should be made for a good video. You know my views on variety down here now. It's not the best, but I will still up for making a local video when I can, but obviously local videoing won't be happening every time, just now and again. So yeah, but it's a very lovely sunny morning today. So I hope you all enjoy your bank holiday weekend. So, with all that being said and done, let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to Barnstable. With my follower, the 158959 coming in. It would have to be that one. Oh, boy. Hardly anyone on that train. Oh, that made a change. Jolly good. Well, I say jolly good. Not jolly good seeing my follower again. Okay, well I think going out now is that Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. That one is on time. I just realised I did say that we may see services from cross country, but I just forgotten they were striking this weekend for whatever reason. Not like they voted the worst train company as well, and on top of it they're striking as well. Just going to make their reputation even worse. Going out now is that 165108. Can't believe it's actually like coming towards the end of August already. Mad how time goes by, and it really is. I believe that service to Exeter is on time. Okay, well it's a bit of a quiet time now, so we'll come back shortly with some more trains. Okay guys, just to give you a heads up, I just checked on real-time trains app, and actually there's actually no services from cross country, so we only see services from Great Western Railway, and like I said, we'll probably see the odd one service from South Western Railway as well. Keep an eye on this light locomotive move from there, whether it run or not. It hasn't set off on time, so that may end up getting cancelled. Yeah, which would be a bit of a shame, because it would have been interesting to see what kind of locomotive it would have been if it would have run. But like I said, I'll keep an eye on it. It hasn't got cancelled yet, but yeah, just to give you the heads up on that. So yeah, we'll be back shortly. Okay, but guys, we're back in the video, and coming in now will be the service to Paynton. Oh, 166 210. Okay guys, so we're back in the video here at Exeter St David's, and well, that's a lot of people got off that IET all the way down on platform 6. My god, got the half of wherever they come from. It's been quite busy down here today in the southwest. Well, this weekend obviously it's a bank holiday, everyone's coming down for a bit of a getaway. Well, this IET over here should be going out now. Oh, it's 10:28. That's why it hasn't gone out yet. Yeah, that's that service to Paynton. Just trying to gather my thoughts here, guys. So, alright. Well, we'll come back shortly once this Penzance service goes out. Okay, as you can see, about to go out now will be that service to Penzance. It's actually leaving about a minute too late. Okay. We'll be back shortly. I think there'll be an Oakhampton service coming in shortly. So, yeah. Okay, coming in now will be the service to Oakhampton. We have a singular 150 on this one, as per normal, with 150 243. But turn your attention to this way, guys. As you can see on platform 4, there's a new signal there. Yeah, a new signal on platform 4. Whether it'll happen with these lot as well, eventually it probably will do. But yeah, there's a new signal there for platform 4. So I'll show you that. Going out now will be the service to Paynton. It's trying to think. Leaving about 3 or 4 minutes late now. I'll be a bit selective on what I'll record after this. There's a certain amount of Great Western Railway trades you can record until it gets boring. We'll record the South Western Railway train should be coming in from Salisbury in the next couple of minutes. We'll record that. And after that one has come in, like I said, I'll be a bit selective in what I will record.
May I have your attention, please?
No, you can't.
Please note, to ensure a timely departure, train doors will be locked shut up to 40 seconds before departure. Thank you.
And there is a terminating South Western Railway service from Salisbury, 159005 at the front, 017 at the back. That will probably be the only South Western Railway service we'll see in this video, as they're running every 2 hours now at the moment, due to how dry the track's been, which I find quite bizarre, to be fair. But there we go. South Western Railway seems to know what they're doing, so we'll go along with that. 951 is on platform 1, working a Great Western Railway service from Barnstable to Exeter Central. That will be going out very shortly herself. In fact, it should be going out now, so we'll keep the camera rolling for this. After this goes out, yeah, I'm just going to wait around. I may record the rail tour coming down to Kingswear, or I may not, who knows. It doesn't appear that like locomotive move from Lyra Derby's running, unfortunately, so I'm going to have to think about what to record after this goes out. Don't want to be recording the same trains every time, because it does get a bit boring.
For your own safety, you are reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
Jolly good. There we got our service to Exeter coming in. $239. and 202. Okay guys, so we're back in the video here at Exeter St David's. Thought I'll give you a little bit of an update. Here's a service to Exeter from platform 1. There'll be a return of the 951 to Barnstable. We're going to see a freight train now as well coming from Westbury a bit later on, so I'm going to get that on camera, and that's going to near St Daisy, so we'll get that on camera as well. The rail tour from Taunton is running quite late now. It still hasn't, I don't think it's at Taunton yet. I think it might have done now, but it is running a couple of minutes late, the rail tour. But like I said, I'm not too bothered about the rail tour. I know it's going to be in Nunny Castle yet again, so you know, if I miss it, I miss it. Didn't bother me one iota. So that's the updated situation for this video. So I'll just keep the camera running for this service to Exeter. Should be going out any time now. There's an IET coming in from London Paddington going to Paignton. Now originally that was actually booked for platform 3. I wish it was still on 3, because that would have been nice to have seen on 3, because that would have been somewhat quite rare to see an IET on platform 3. Here is 800 320. There's the service of Exeter now going out with 150 247. Nice little tone by the driver. And 246 at the back. It was nice when you get a tone from the driver unexpectedly, as may I ask. Excellent. Right, we'll be back shortly. Okay, going out now will be the late running Great Eastern Railway service from London Paddington going to Paignton. I think I'll go this side. Under 320. Okay guys, well, we're back in the video. We'll record a few more trains. Like I said, I'll record that freight train coming from Westbury a bit later on. And we got a service from Paignton to London Paddington coming in. This is a train we haven't seen yet. There's a turbo behind me going to Exeter, and that's another train we haven't seen yet. Here is 800 314. This is I think this is on time, I'm not entirely sure. Excellent. Yeah, like I said, there's a turbo on platform 1. 165102 is the number on that one. There's a 158 is just sneaked in behind that one. That is very sneaky. I believe that's 158798. So there's all three 158s on the Barnstable lines today. So could I say that's rare now? Because normally they do often mix up on the Barnstable line. And yeah. Non-stop choo-choo train. Right, well, it looks like we have to keep the camera rolling as we do have that steam train coming through. Yes, unfortunately it is the Nunny Castle again. People get out of the way. This is running around about 15 minutes late. Wow, well, we'll wait for the that's alright. Just recording that one there. I record it from here as well. Right, okie dokie, I think we got the, yep, you guessed it guys, the Nunny Castle coming through, yet again, for the 8th billionth time it has come down. It's kind of a shame that they use the same steam locomotive, shame they don't mix it up. I can understand why they use the same steam locomotive, but, you know, it is what it is, isn't it? Well, at least they have a different diesel locomotive at the back for a change. It's not the same diesel locomotive, but it is the same steam loco again. Okay guys, so we're back in the video. It's to be the last train of the video. It'll be a freight train from Westbury going to the Goomborough Junction. Coming in about 29 minutes early. Looks like it's stopping here for a change of drivers as well. Red DB. Obviously carrying, assuming China today. 66054. Quite rare to see a freight come from this way. trailer load is 600 tons apparently. It did look more than 600 tons though. So as that freight train goes out, guys, I will leave it here at Exeter St David's on this Saturday. Well, it's coming into Saturday lunchtime now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Quite nice with variety in truth. Not too bad, to be fair. We've seen some 150s, some turbos, some Great Western 158s, obviously all the IETs. We did see one service from South Western Railway. We did see the Nunny Castle yet again. That would probably be the last time I'll see it. And that freight train as well. So overall, quite a nice mixture of trains. So if you did like what you saw in this video, leave a big fat like. Any feedback will be greatly appreciated. And until next time, from me here at a very gloriously sunny Exeter St David's. See you all soon, guys. Take care.